Your skin may look dry, but water could be the real problem. A process called transepidermal water loss begins to increase. The protective skin barrier becomes weakened.
Without enough water, skin cells start to shrink.
Your skin feels tight, uncomfortable, less flexible.
Its natural glow begins to fade.
But dehydration is often reversible.
As hydration returns, the barrier starts recovering. Because healthy skin isn't just about oil, it's about water.